DeepSeek announced plans to significantly raise API service prices in the near future. The company stated in an official notice that the overall price increase is expected to be substantial, though no specific details on the hike or effective date were provided. The adjustment covers all API services, not just a previously rumored peak hour plan. Developers can continue using services at current rates until further notice. Qwen has announced that its Qwen 3.8 Max model topped the latest agentic index by artificial analysis with a score of 55.4, outperforming models like Claude Opus 5 and GPT-5.6. The index evaluates a model's ability to use tools, break down tasks, and complete multi-step workflows. On the same organization's intelligence index, Qwen 3.8 Max ranked 5th with 56 points. Qwen also revealed that the weights for Qwen 3.8 Max and Qwen 3.827 bytes will be open-sourced next week. ByteDance is reportedly discussing a model with over 5 trillion parameters, surpassing Clone 3.8 Max's 2.4T and Kimi K3's 2.8T. CEO Zheng Yiming urged the team to aim for global leadership, rejecting model distillation as mere replication of existing models like Claude. He emphasized building unique AGI barriers while integrating resources from Volcano Engine, Feishu, and Doubao, cautioning against over-focusing on the current coding hype. Alibaba's Wan 3.0, a video generation AI model, has entered public beta, enabling 30-second video creation per prompt. It now supports document inputs like PPT, PDF, and Excel, with file limits of 100 megabytes or 50 pages. Wan 3.0 maintains consistency in characters, props, and styles, while allowing edits to scenes, plots, and dialogue. API pricing ranges from 0.3 to 1.2 RMB per second for 480p to the 1080p resolutions. The model is available on Alibaba Cloud's platforms and select creative tools. Doubao has upgraded its video call feature to recognize multiple speakers and filter background noise. The updated mode processes both audio and visual inputs, distinguishing speakers in group conversations while maintaining continuity despite pauses or ambient noise. Demonstrations show Doubao proactively responding to video content and dialogue without manual mode switches. The feature is now available in the Doubao app, with rollout details determined by in-app versions. DeepSeek has announced an upcoming price increase for its API services, with details to be released later. This move signals a shift in the AI industry, as model providers like DeepSeek seek to balance computational costs, service scale, and revenue. Analysts note that AI pricing is entering a dynamic adjustment phase as competition evolves from technical benchmarks to commercial sustainability. Meitu has launched Meitu Hub, an AI-powered imaging production line platform that lets businesses create custom visual workflows using natural language. The solution integrates Meitu's full-stack imaging technology, eliminating tool fragmentation and inefficiency in traditional workflows. It generates reusable web apps and supports API 151 and AI agent integrations for seamless enterprise system adoption. Professional design teams also offer workflow customization services to build tailored imaging pipelines. MiniMax has gained market attention after being included in the Hang Seng Stock Connect Index, with its stock surging over 17%. The company continues to advance its multimodal AI capabilities, open sourcing its latest general-purpose multimodal generation model, MiniMax H3. The model excels in video generation, earning praise from industry experts and investors. Jefferies reaffirmed a buy rating for MiniMax, setting a target price of $1,118 HK. ByteDance founder Zheng Yiming emphasized in an internal meeting that the company's large language model development must embrace long-termism and reject short-term gains from AI distillation techniques. Despite trailing competitors, ByteDance remains committed to in-house R&D for genuine technological breakthroughs in AI. Zeroth is unveiled Jupiter, a full-sized humanoid robot with 47 degrees of freedom and a maximum joint torque of 150 a near, designed for autonomous navigation and multimodal interaction. Already deployed in commercial tours and data collection, Jupiter supports handle, remote, and PC control. Alongside it, the N1, a 30 kilograms home assistant with 2 to 3 hours of battery life, targets household tasks with natural voice and gesture interaction, aiming for seamless kitchen and bars collaboration. Global foldable smartphone shipments are projected to surge 20% in 2026, with Samsung leading the charge. Apple has reportedly instructed suppliers to prepare for 10 million units of its first foldable iPhone, potentially debuting alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series in September. The fourth quarter is expected to be the critical sales window, as supply chains anticipate strong demand driven by larger inner screens and expanding brand participation. Despite tight logic chip supplies and rising memory costs for standard smartphones, foldables remained a key growth category after nearly 8 years of iteration. Unitree Robotics has set its IPO price at 150.80 RMB per share, issuing 40.45 million shares for a projected market cap of 61 billion RMB. The offering's P/E ratio stands at 219.23x, significantly above the industry average of 38.56x. The company expects to raise 6.1 billion RMB with strategic investors including China's Social Security Fund and PetroChina. Unitree's revenue surged from 159 million RMB in 2023 to a projected 1.7 billion RMB in 2025, turning profitable this year.